In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the Excel export and import tool on MX Business. So what it does is, in MX Business, you can export any of the data to a spreadsheet in Excel, and you can then edit the data in Excel, save it, and import it back in. It's mainly used to make bulk changes quite fast. Changes that would normally take a little bit longer doing it on MX Business itself. So for example, multiple price changes on a product, or new ledgers. If you've got a big list of new ledgers, so you've got a lot of new customers to import, things like that. And you can export pretty much any part of MX Business. So if you log into MX Business and click on data at the top here, then click Excel and select export. So it's then going to ask you where to save it. Let's go test. And then it's going to ask you what parts of MX Business do you want to export. So usually you'll click select none because you don't want to export absolutely everything. So click select none, and then just tick whatever you want to export to change. So let's say container, one new department. Let's say group, product, and let's say ledger as well. So click OK. Now it's ready as a spreadsheet to open. So if we open it in Excel, and you'll see this screen pop up. So you've got different pages underneath, and you've got like a contents type of page here, which will take you to the areas you've exported. So for example, let's click on item. That will then bring you to the PLU page. So as you can see, it starts off with department 1, PLU number 1. So we've got the cost price there. So let's say we want to update the cost price. So at the moment, that's referring to this product. So department 1, PLU ID 1. Notice the cost price is 0, so we'll change that to something like £10. And let's change the date offset to, let's say 10 as well. Let's put the date offset to 20 for argument's sake. And let's change something else. Let's say ledger. So you'll need to give it an ID that's larger than any of the current IDs. So let's go for that. Let's call it. Okay. Let's say we want to add a new group. We'll just call it test group. Again, give it an ID that's larger than any current IDs. And let's just make a department as well. So again, larger ID. Call it something like that. Then when you're done, click save. Click yes. And then close it down. Make sure you close the spreadsheet down before you get to this stage, because it might not import. So in MX Business, click Data, Excel, Import. Are you sure? Okay. select the spreadsheet in where you saved it, click open. You'll then ask what areas do you want to import. So we didn't change container, but we did change all of them. So if we click OK, say import complete, and of course it will show up in blue because the product has changed. So obviously you'll notice the cost price has changed to £10. Date offset is 10. You can't see date offset 2 there, but if you click on it to edit, you'll see it's changed to 20 there. The new department. So if we drop down the department filter, you see department test. Obviously there's no product in it. If we go here and go to ECR ledger, because we added on Joe blogs, he'll be there. And that's how you do it. So I've only made small changes. Obviously in the real world you'll be making bulk changes. The main things to remember is always have an ID that's larger than the latest ID, and that's it. So just remember it's data, Excel, that's where you find the export and import. So just save it, change it in the spreadsheet, save it, close it down, and import. And obviously when you're done, send the changes to the scale, and that's it.